I let this thing bleed to clean it out, and then wiped it down, let it bleed some more, and then put some golden seal on there. You can get it at health food stores, and that she swears by. Miss Organic Chick swears by that. She put golden seal on there. We did that 2 or 3 different times. She asked me last time when I got a tetanus shot, and it's been probably a good 10 years. And she said if you see a red line coming up your arm somewhere, you better get to the hospital to get a tetanus shot. So I'm not seeing any red here, are you? I'm not getting any tetanus shot if I don't need to. Forget that mess. Okay, I'm hoping to have this swelling going down tomorrow. Can't wait for that ice pack to get done. Hey, when is that ice pack going to be done, do you think?
I don't know.
Well, maybe an hour or two? Maybe 30 minutes? We'll see. Okay. Video Joe out. Howdy, Arco. Okay.
Not for sissies.
Okay. Hey, I'm just an average Joe, alright? Can I swallow now so I can talk about this one?
Sure.
Okay, this was the one that you put right on my hand. This is Golden Seal. Eclectic, grain-free alcohol, Golden Seal.
Organic.
Organic Golden Seal. Can you see that?
Uh-huh.
Can they see it on the video?
I think so.
Okay. Golden Seal?
Kind of, maybe you like turn it just a little bit. You know, to get
Well, the light in here is not too great. Anyways, it's called Golden Seal. And I put that on here a couple times. Now, you want me to put that under my tongue on this too?
Correct.
Okay. All right.
Because this is also, this is a natural antibiotic. And it's a blood cleanser, purifier.
This much?
That's good. Now this has alcohol, so it may,
You know I don't drink or anything.
Well, I don't either, but this stuff is very good.
Whoa. You lied. Can I swallow this?
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Good Lord.
Go ahead. Okay. I think it has about 45 or so percent alcohol.
Whew.
Listen up, Joe. It has about 45 or 50% alcohol. The majority of the new herbs, the new tinctures, have up to 85% alcohol. It's just like taking a jigger, you know, and just drinking it down. And I'm not a drinker, so but this brand is really good, decent.
Okay.
There's no grain in it, so it's not poisoned by, you know, the stuff that's in grain.
All right. So is that all I have to take now? Did you want me to take something else? Or you wanted me to take something later? What is it? That bottle. But you don't want me to take it now.
You don't, yeah.
This is Inner Eco Fresh Coconut Water Probiotic, Original Plain.
It's fermented
Oh.
coconut water, so it has good bacteria. Ah, don't shake it.
Ooh.
Don't shake it.
Okay, sorry.
Because it'll spew out, because it's kind of effervescent.
Okay. But you want me to take a little bit of this later? Not now.
No, not now.
How long later? Like tomorrow?
Well, maybe tonight.
Oh, tonight?
You take
Like
that.
in an hour?
Yeah, I'll give the other stuff
And
time to work.
what are you going to do? Give me just a little bit to drink out of a shot glass or something? Here, let me see. How much of this am I going to put in here?
Just fill it up.
The entire thing? Okay, Inner Eco Fresh Coconut Water Probiotic, and it says living food on there.
And this is what I take should I ever have food poisoning or just something that doesn't feel right. And, you know, and I've actually taken a lot of this because if you ever eat out, you know, and you have your system cleaned out, all the little bad bugs tend to, you know, do things.
Okay.
And and I have taken this quite a bit, and it saved my bacon on numerous occasions.
Can I drink some water now after I take this, or is that not good to do?
Well, you just give it time to work. You
Okay,
know,
give it
your
time to
system
work,
out,
and then
yeah.
after 10-15 minutes, then I can have some
Yeah.
water. But I don't want to wash this down
And
with
you want
water,
to get
do
your
I?
system.
this gets into my system better,
into your bloodstream.
into my bloodstream better than just gulping down some water and chasing it with water after. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much for that. I appreciate you helping me with this. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.